Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today's recipe is potato cheese pancakes. Take around 5 to 6 potatoes, peel the skin and grate it. Grated potatoes are ready. Now let us strain the excess water. Take a clean cloth. Put the potatoes on it. Now squeeze this and take out the excess water. Potatoes are ready. Next we'll move on to grate the cheese. This is mozzarella cheese. Cheese is ready. This is around 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. Next, crack open 1 egg and beat this well. Egg is ready. Next we'll move on and mix all the ingredients. This is grated potatoes. To this add 1 medium-sized onion chopped, 1/4 cup of coriander leaves, 4 to 5 garlics chopped, 2 to 3 green chilies chopped, required amount of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, and the grated mozzarella cheese. And also the beaten eggs. Now give this a nice mix. Mix this and add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, that is maida. The mix is ready. Next we'll scoop a little and shallow fry them in oil. Now pour some oil in a pan and shallow fry the potato mix. Turn both sides and cook properly until it is crispy. This will be a perfect evening snacks for kids. You can serve this with tomato sauce or mayonnaise. This will taste so good. Do try this at home. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.